had the time of my life. No, I've never felt like this before. Yes, I swear it's the truth.
I think there is something wonderful about this particular story that touches people. And it's a story that I think we watch Baby go from, at the start, she tells us that the most important man in her life is her father. And we see her move to a point where the most important man in her life is her first lover. And I suppose that's sort of a common experience for people.